Hey guys, Steve here with Xtreme Heaters. I want to introduce you to the Xtreme Heaters Quick Release Bracket. And let me tell you what this is used for. If you guys want to be able to take your heater out of your boat or RV during the summertime, we have a solution for you. A lot of people love to get the quick release bracket so they can take their heater out of the way during the summertime. So quick release bracket, basically the 4 screws that you would have got with your heater now could be used for the quick release bracket. It's stamped aluminum. It is polished and then anodized so it will not rust. Has stainless steel and plastic, so everything is marine safe. Just got a little quick release mount here. Basically, you'll mount this down in your boat or your RV, and it's a real simple process. You just take your heater, you slide it underneath this first tab, put the back end down, slide that into place, and it locks in. And this bracket is so solid that you could hang this upside down or on a wall sideways. And then the same token, all you have to do when you want to take it out is push this little button down, pull the bracket out, up comes the heater, back in the garage for the summertime. Whenever the cool weather comes, just like that, click, you're done. We designed, develop it for ease of use, can stay in the boat or RV for a lifetime. All the components are rust-free and anodized and protected, so you never have to worry about this piece of equipment. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.